So as you saw the video thumbnail or the title of this video that we are going to unboxing the book called Expert Secret, right? So this is the Expert Secret book that I received from my mentor, that he's gift me as my birthday gift. He sent me as a birthday gift, so I am going to unboxing this video. So this side Nilesh, and welcome to my YouTube channel. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, right? Because I am going to serve you, I am providing so much content related to marketing funnels. So if you are not a part of my subscriber list, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And let's get unboxing this video. Let's unbox this. So what we are going to get in this book, in this box. There is okay, there is some card. So okay, there is yeah, three cards I have. uh, Three cards. So I see what is the card everyone. So the first card is a funnel script. The funnel script, that is software of Jim Edwards and Russell Brunson. Then behind it, test drive ClickFunnels 14 days free trial. So this is a 14 days free trial. If you haven't if you want to create your funnels, then the 14-day free trial is the best for you. You can go and check it out. Then the secret trilogy box, that is cost you $97. In this trilogy box you are going to get all the three books, that is .com, Expert, and Traffic. Then the fourth one is the Unlock Secret. So it is a workbook that will you can implement all the learning that you are learned, right? And behind that, continue on your journey. Funnel Hackers, that is community we called Funnel Hacker. Marketing Secret, that is podcast. One Funnel Away Challenge. So the OFA is the journey that helped me in my journey, that is helped me to drive on till this path. So this is the one of the best investment that I did. So if you are not a part of OFA, the link is in the comment, in the description. You can reach out to me as well. Click funnel script, right? Then what else? Yeah, One Funnel Away Challenge. So this is the challenge of $100. So you can go and check this challenge, the link in the description. And here is some summary description. So .com secret, Expert Secret, welcome to the Funnel Hackers community. The secret trilogy quick guides, right? Marketing Secret, OFA, ClickFunnels, 14-day free trials, all things. And here we have blank box. Here is a blank box, and here is the gold mine. Here is the gold mine. Here, look at this Expert Secret. This is the gold mine that is. I already read this book, and a few takeaways I also share on my channel. I read completely for this book, but I never publish all the takeaways. Around 10-15 takeaways I published. So here's the gold. This is, guys, this book will teach you that how you can be an expert. If you think that you have this misconception that I am not a good, this will teach you that how you can become a good, how you can feel like expert. So there is a concept that is called, there is so many concepts. Firstly, there is so many concepts. So but and you can watch the videos playlist. I put the I button, all the playlist of the Expert Secret in I button, right? And there is so many things, that finding your voice is the first thing. That I am doing this live videos, that is my voice. I am finding my voice. I don't know which message you like the most. This is how I finding my voice, by publishing daily. Teaching your framework, teach your framework, whatever the thing that you do. 3 core market desire, more new opportunity. This is the best concept. Future based course, epiphany bridge story, that how I started on this journey. This is my epiphany bridge, how right. 4 core strategy, big domino, three secret, trial closes, testing your presentation, perfect webinar shortcut, the 5 minute perfect beginner. So there is so many things in this book. There is so many things you can, if you read this book completely, this is literally change your game. This is literally change your mindset. So this is the quick testing, quick unboxing video. There is so many things that we get from this video, right? This is card 1, card 2. This is all kind of upsells, as we are a funnel hacker and Russell Brunson is the master of the funnel, so all this stuff of upsells. So yeah, this is the thing. And you can also check all the related links in the description, so you can go and check it out if whatever thing that you want to achieve. The expert secret link, one funnel away challenge link, the 14-day trial link is in the description. It doesn't cost you extra money, it's just my affiliate link. So yeah, this is it. And if you are new on my channel, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. And thank you so much for staying here till then. Till then, Nilesh signing off. I'm come up with the new content, new post, new video. So be here with me. Till then, bye bye. Have a great day.